Alright, I'm finished here with the back now, I think, for a while. There's just small little bits I need to tidy up. I'll decide what I'm going to do, just like fill in that, round that off, put the pin for the ramps in. I want to sheet the ramp before I put the pin in, just make sure I know where everything's going, right? I'm going to get the truck out again. I want to get the mud guards off just so I can weld this. So what I'm doing now today, I wasn't going to do it, I was going to do finish off that sheeting. Just take a break from thinking. There's no thinking in this. All I do is cut it, weld it, and work through it. It's nice, easy work. But I'm going to spend the morning here figuring out what to put in the side here. I have a couple of jobs on, so I probably won't have long at it today. So I'm going to spend a while thinking. What I want to do is kind of want to set up like that. 2 toolboxes down there, and I would like a set of cones in between it, kind of sitting in at an angle. They're fairly big, the cones, so working out the way they're going to go is kind of a major problem. I can mount the toolboxes fairly easy. I want the cones like that. I can put them in that way, no problem, or upside down, but I don't want the cones to be sitting on steel and held, because they'll be vibrating in there and all this will get worn away. So I kind of want it to sit on the inside and they'll weight like that. You can just wash them and just keep them good longer. I've had them cones for 4 years now. They're still brand new once you paint them, and reflective, so I want to fit them that way. That's my major problem. So I was going to make up one big bracket to hold all of them and then bolt the whole lot up in one go. But I'm just going to start by cutting these out, making them fit in there. I just need to take a small bit off the back here, getting them drilled out, and see how it goes from there. I build a truck every few years. I don't do one every year or whatever, but when I am going to build one, I spend 6 months, even a year, planning it out and getting all the pieces like the mud guards, the lights, the winch, and I get a good price on everything to make sure everything fits. And then I have a big list of stuff, and then over 1 or 2 days I will just order the whole lot and have everything here before I start. And what I done was I ordered these toolboxes. Well, I ordered this one, and it kind of wasn't size. It's kind of size that fits the truck better. I wanted it a bit bigger, but these will have to do. And then I'm having 4 toolboxes, 2 each side. And the problem with it is when you have a couple of beers and you go ordering, then I ordered 3 that are different fucking size. So you should never drink and shop, but they'll do. These aren't great toolboxes because they slant out, but they'll do for this anyway. I'll have enough room because I'll have 4 of them. Because I was looking up an airbag kit last night for the back of the truck. It comes with a compressor, and if they were this size, if I can fit the compressor in here and maybe a hose for pumping tires, I might do that. Just do a dedicated one for just the tire inflation and stuff. Like this small one, I'll probably just be able to fit my 3 snatch boxes in and stuff. Like I'll always have 2 straps on the body. My plan is to make a little hook or a little holder in here, and I always roll up the second set every time I'm finished. And I usually put them in a toolbox, but I think I'm going to slide them in here and the ratchet this side, so then I can just have it all here at the front. I'll never have to open a toolbox for the 4 ratchet straps, and I'll always have a snatch block on the line. So I should have loads of room in the toolboxes now. But yeah, drinking on eBay is not a good idea. Right, I done a lot of hating on this grinder yesterday, but it's actually quite good. And the plastic is way lighter, and it's real cheap feeling plastic, but it's a way lighter, probably because of that. So it mightn't last as long, but it's really nice to use. So if somebody's buying a cheap grinder, it's well worth it. A couple of things. This is a rubber ring in there. I don't know how long it lasts, but I know it takes a bit of vibration out of the disc. Every time I put the disc in, it tightens up nice and easily, and it comes off like it's not tight at all. It's really good. When I bought the grinder, I seen Bosch cutting discs as well, so I just bought 2 for the crack. They're fucking €3. But all the cutting I done on the last video was with this disc, with that grinder. I think there was actually a good bit of, it was all them triangles I cut out, and there's still that much of the disc left. So it's really fucking good, and there's no vibration going up through the machine. I don't know if it's because of that little bowl washer, but it's awful comfortable to use, and it's really light. But I'd say if I dropped it, it'd crack, because it is cheap plastic, like cheap wire and stuff. Yeah, but I'm going to use this for everything, the rest of the body, and I'll see how long it lasts. Because if it breaks, I'm going to get my money back and get a Makita. And if it doesn't, that's really good then. Alright, I just thought I'd say that because I was hating on it yesterday. I hated it, but once I started using it, it was fairly good. Just see how long it lasts though. Box tapers up a bit. 35mm. Just fits in perfect there. I just need to tape that angle. Fit it in that way. Fuck all this now. Big cut for just a small bit off it, so I'm see can I work that a little bit better. have 16 of these to cut, so I think I might set up the plasma cutter just to do it freehand, and I can clean it up afterwards. It fits in there nicely. And that was the wrong fucking side. Oh, that fits in there too. Oh, favored. That's for the big one. What I'll do is I'll get 2 of them cut out and drilled. And then I want to put a plate on the inside as well, so I can weld up kind of shelving in there or hooks or whatever I need. So I want to just get plates in there now, and then I can make whatever I want in there later. What I've done here is I've cut and drilled all these out. Just the brackets for this. Can't see that. And there. What I'm going to do now is just drill them out and bolt them in. This just gives me something I can weld to. I can fit these up any way I want and just weld off that. Just gives me a starting point. Using this as a gap guide. I'll use that in all of them. I'll be facing the other way when I do them. Doesn't have to be perfect. Roughly. Just going to do the other 3. Get them all done. What I'm doing here is trying to get it set up so I can get the toolboxes up and held in place level, just so I can measure it and weld it, because I'm finding it all hard to find something to hold everything in place.